Hello, I would like to show you our new generation syringe pump. This is the PBT raw material, high waterproof. And the screen is touch screen. You can control the pump by the touch screen, and you also can control the pump by the rotate button. See? This is the indicator light. This is the battery indicator, and this is the AC indicator. The start button and the stop button, silencer, silence. If the pump gives alarms, so you can press the silence button to clear the alarms. See, this is the AC power. You can connect the different power cable. This is from 100 to 240 V. And this is the multiply function connector. You can connect the 50 DC in the ambulance. And this is also the connector of the data transfer. This is the layer. This is the stackable. You can stack the infusion pump and the syringe pump together, like this way. This is the optional accessories, simple handle. You can, like this way, to take the pump by the simple handle. The simple handle max can take 3 pieces pump. And this can be adjusted. This one can be installed in the IV stand.